Hello children, in this session I will teach you another rule of indefinite article a and an, where to not use a and an. Before that we had learned so many rules of indefinite articles a and an where we have to use. We have to revise first before the teaching this rule. A and an used with singular common noun. A used with consonant, and used with vowel. A and an used in general sentence, used for something or someone, mentioned for the first time. 6. Used for someone's job profile. And last session we had learned a and an used consonant and vowel sound, where we use a and an with consonant and vowel sound. Now in this session I will teach you when not to use a and an. Okay? So we cannot use, we never use a and an with uncountable nouns. So first we have to know which are the uncountable nouns. Let's see. Music. Music we cannot count. Okay? And we cannot use a or an before this music. We cannot count the music. Okay? She is music teacher. We cannot say she is music teacher. We cannot use a. And we cannot how much music you learn. We cannot say, we cannot count. Art. Also we cannot count art. Art is one of the uncountable noun. Love. Yes, we cannot count the love. How much I love you. We cannot count. Happiness. Yes, when I am happy, so I cannot count my happiness. Okay, sadness. When I sad, definitely I cannot count my sadness. Intelligence. We cannot count intelligence. How can we count intelligent? So these words are the uncountable. Advice. If I give an advice to you, so how can I count the advice? How can you count the advice which are given to you? Information also same. If I give information, how can count I information whatever given to you? News. Same. News. We cannot count the news. How much we can count the news? Luggage. Right? We are not mentioning here one bag, one purse. Right? But here is the word is luggage. So we can, this luggage also is one of the uncountable noun. Fun. We cannot count the fun. Rice. Yes, rice also we cannot count. Sugar. We cannot count. These are vegetables. Butter. When it will be made, when we eat. So how can we count the butter? Water. Also we cannot count water. Milk, fruit. Right? Here I am not specify how much. Right? So these words, rice, sugar, butter, water, milk and fruit. These words when we use in the sentences, before that we cannot use a and an. Right? We are talking about the indefinite article a and an. So we never use this vegetables, rice, sugar, butter, water, milk and fruit. We cannot write a and an with the uncountable nouns. Electricity, same. Gas, power and air. We cannot count. It is an uncountable nouns. So hope you understand. These are the few words we are explaining you about the uncountable nouns. When these words are using in the sentence, we never use with indefinite article a and an. Now I will use the examples. Why we cannot use the a and an indefinite article with uncountable noun. Let's see the examples. Let's see the few examples of uncountable nouns. We cannot use a and an indefinite article with uncountable. Let's see. First example, I ate rice yesterday. I ate rice yesterday. So tell me, which is the uncountable noun in this sentence? Rice. Rice is uncountable noun in this sentence. I ate rice yesterday. So how much rice I ate yesterday? We cannot count. So it is an uncountable noun. So rice is uncountable noun. When we use rice, this word in the sentence, so it is uncountable noun. And that time we cannot use a, and in different article with this uncountable noun. You can see here, you cannot write a or an with this rice. I ate rice yesterday. So you can see that I ate some rice. You can use some than the a or an. We cannot use a or an with the uncountable, but we can say some. Okay, I ate some rice yesterday. Next, he taught music to the students. You can read the sentence again. He taught music to the students. Means the teacher taught the music to the students. Okay. So in this sentence, tell me the uncountable nouns. Which is the uncountable nouns in this sentence? He, no, he is a pronoun. Taught, no, taught is verb. It is an action. No, it is not. The is the article, but we will teach you after the in our next session. Students as the common noun. So uncountable noun, which is the uncountable? Music. Music is the uncountable noun in this sentence. So he taught music to the students. How much music he taught to the students? Some music. Okay, we can use here some, but we cannot use a or an with uncountable nouns. Next, there is no more water in the pond. There is no more water in the pond. Okay, so in this sentence, which is uncountable noun? Pond is an uncountable noun? No, pond is noun, but it's a common noun. The is the article, one of the article, we will teach you the N is the position word. The more, no, no is there, no. Here is the water. Water is uncountable noun. So, means we cannot count the how much water in the pond. Right? The pond is very big, but we can say only there is a less water. Okay, there is a less water. But when there is a no more water in the pond, so we cannot use a or an with this uncountable water. A or an we cannot use with this water. So we can say that there is no more water. There is some water in the pond. Less water in the pond. There is less water in the pond. So more, we can, instead of the more, we can say no more, we can say less. But we cannot use a or an here. Next, I need to find information about football prize winner. Read the sentence again. I need to find information about football prize winner. So in this sentence, which is the uncountable noun, information is uncountable noun. We cannot count the information, right? So football, it's one of the game. We are given a name to the some game. So it is a ball. So football is one of the game, and it is a proper noun. Prize winner. So it is a noun and common noun. We cannot tell this is the uncountable noun, right? So information we cannot count. Prize we can count, right? Footballs we can count, but the information we cannot count. So here I am not using indefinite article a and an. A or an I am not using with this information. I need to find information. I need to find some. We can use some. I need to find some information about the football prize winner. But we cannot use indefinite article a or an. Next, you seem to have a high level of intelligence. You seem to have a high level of intelligence. So someone is a very high level of intelligence, but we cannot count the intelligence of the other students. Okay, so we cannot count the intelligence of other. So intelligence is uncountable noun. So that's why we are not using here a or an. You seems to have a high level of intelligence. You can say like that. You seem to have a high level of. We cannot use some here. We cannot use some intelligence. We cannot count. So here we cannot use indefinite articles. Please take care of your equipment. Please take care of your equipment. So tell me in this sentence, which is the uncountable noun? Equipment. Okay? Electronic equipment, other equipments, lots of equipments are there. We cannot count the equipments. Okay? So equipment is a word which is the uncountable word. Please take care of your. You can use here some equipment also or equipment also, but you cannot use indefinite article a or an. Let's get rid of the garbage. You can see here, I write here the, but I am not write here a or an. Let's get rid the garbage. We cannot count, so we have to use here the. I will teach you the article the in the next session, right? Before that, you understand that which words are uncountable words and when we are not use the a or an indefinite article with the uncountable nouns. These are the some few examples I explain you. Hope you understand. Like that way only, we cannot use a or an with the plural noun. I ate cherries. I ate cherries. Cherries, many cherries. Okay, I am not saying here cherry. So we cannot use here a or an with the cherries. I ate a cherries? No. I ate an cherries? No. I ate some cherries. We can use some like that, the uncountable. So we cannot use the a or an with the plural nouns. Okay? So these are the some rules we already explained you. We have to revise again. A and an used with the singular common noun. A used with the consonant. And used with the vowel. A and an used in general sentence. Use a and use for something or someone mentioned first time. Says use someone's job profile. We can use a and use for the some job profile. A and use consonant with the vowels. And next last we cannot use the a or an with this uncountable noun. We cannot use a or an with plural nouns. Hope you understand a or an indefinite article where we have to use in the sentence and with the words in the sentence. Right? Hope you understand. Revise it. We'll send you the version. First you have to see the videos properly, then you solve the version. Thank you.